everyone! How are you doing? We hope all of you are feeling well and in good shape. We all know that we are currently fighting an invisible enemy, the COVID-19 virus. With many schools closed, classes are now online. We are not allowed to go out to meet and bond with friends. Everyone is encouraged to stay at home. Now more than ever, it is important for us to put our game on and level up our overall health. We should make it a habit to observe proper hygiene. Take a bath every day. Wash our hands regularly. We also need to exercise, sleep for 8 hours every night, and of course, eat right. That's what we're here for today. We care for you, so join us and we'll help you learn how to eat healthy. Did you know that there is what we call the 10 Commandments or the 10 Commandments for proper diet and healthy nutrition? This was made by the National Nutrition Council, a group of nutrition experts. It explains how important it is to have variety, balance, and moderation in our diet. Let's go through it one by one. Commandment number 1. Eat a variety of food every day. What's your favorite food? I bet you always eat that every day, almost every mealtime, right? Commandment number 1, though, encourages us to explore and eat different kinds of food. There is no single food that can provide us all the nutrition that the body needs. So, it is important that your plate every mealtime includes items from the different food groups: Go, Grow, and Glow foods. Let's see how familiar you are with the 3 G's of food. Which one do you think is Go, Grow, and Glow foods? Did you identify it correctly? If you feel tired easily or often suffer from low energy, you might be lacking in Go foods. It keeps you powered up to finish your activities for the whole day. Go foods keep you on the go. It has carbohydrates, which are good energy boosters. Examples of Go foods are bread, pasta, potatoes, and rice. Can you name some Go foods too? Guess what the next G group is? Clue. Food under this group helps promote clear eyesight and makes your skin glow. That's right! Next on the list is Glow foods. This includes fruits and vegetables, which are also rich sources of vitamins and minerals. All these help you look and feel good inside and out. Glow with Glow foods. Do you want to grow tall and develop strong muscles, healthy teeth, and bones? That is all possible as long as you include Grow foods in your diet. This food group includes meats such as chicken, pork, beef, and fish, which helps build a strong body. So again, what's commandment number 1? It is all about variety. Make sure to eat Go, Grow, and Glow foods every mealtime. Commandment number 2 states that breastfeeding is best for babies 6 months and below. A complete meal for your baby brother or your baby sister who is under 6 months old is your mom's breast milk. After 6 months, they can be fed with other baby food products. Commandment number 3 reminds us to eat fruits and vegetables every day. Let's recap. What food group does fruits and vegetables belong? That's right! Glow foods. The more fruits and vegetables you have on your plate, the more vitamins and minerals you get. Commandment number 4. Eat meat and fish and other protein-rich foods. Protein is macronutrient that is also referred to as the building blocks of our body. If you want to grow tall and develop strong muscles, eat protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, pork, beef, and other dairy products. What do you think is the food group that's rich in protein? Clue. It starts with letter G. Grow foods. Yup, They're definitely rich in protein. Kumainment number 5. Drink milk and eat foods that are rich in calcium. As you grow old, your bones may become weak. It could be harder to stand and sit upright or move around. To keep your bones strong, make sure to eat and drink foods that are rich in calcium. Milk is one good source of calcium that is needed to strengthen teeth and bones. Other dairy products such as cheese, some fishes and vegetables are good sources of calcium too. Which one is your favorite source of calcium? Aside from knowing what you should eat, making sure your food is clean and safe is also very important. Kumainment number 6 reminds us to check our water and food source to make sure it is clean and safe. Adapt a habit to check food packaging labels. For example, there is what we call the best before labels. This shows that food can still be consumed after the date written on the packaging, but it may not be at its top quality. On the other hand, expiration date or use before labels mean that the food item needs to be eaten before the stated date on the label. This is important so you can avoid having diarrhea or food poisoning due to expired food. For Gardenia breads, they use the G-Lock system, a color-coded bread seal that helps customers track baking date and expiry of each loaf. It is Gardenia's way of ensuring that you get only the freshest breads every day. Also, check the storage instructions on the packaging. Consume or cook food according to instructions. Do you have any food allergies? Better check on food allergen alerts. This is an important warning that gives you an idea of different ingredients that may cause allergies. Nuts, seafood, gluten, milk, or dairies are some of the more common food allergens. Have you seen food items with labels that says sugar or cholesterol-free, 0-gram trans fat, rich in omega-3 or other vitamins and minerals, high in fiber, good for the heart? These are what you call health and nutrition claims. They're also important if you're looking for a specific benefit or power-up on your food. Now let's go to Kumainment number 7, which encourages the use of iodized salt when preparing food. Iodine helps maintain a healthy thyroid, which aids in food digestion and regulates some of our body's function. Just make sure to not eat too much salt, as this needs to be eaten in moderation. Speaking of moderation, let's now go to Kumainment number 8. Do you love eating sweets, salty, or oily food? Kumainment number 8 reminds us to limit eating these. Recognize this? This is the food pyramid. This shows the recommended servings of each food group that we should consume every day. At the bottom of the pyramid are those which we should eat more of. Go foods. We should eat at least 4 to 6 servings every day. 1 serving of Go foods is equal to 1 cup of rice, or 3 slices of bread, or 2 cups of noodles. Next to Go are Glow foods. Make sure to eat at least 1 medium-sized fruit or 1/2 to 1/3 cup of vegetables every mealtime. And of course, the Grow foods. 1 piece of chicken or fish or 1 glass of milk every mealtime will help you grow strong and healthy. At the top of the food pyramid are those which we should eat less. This includes food that are too salty, fatty, or oily and sweet. If you want to avoid being overweight, or you would rather not get complications like diabetes, heart or kidney problems, you better watch out on your sweets, salty, and oily foods. There is another way to help you keep track of the nutrition that you consume daily. Check the nutrition facts. This is the label that you often see on most food packaging. This shows how much of the food in the pack you can eat in one sitting. This is usually defined by the manufacturer. It is important to always check the serving size indicated in the nutrition facts table, as some packaged foods are more than one serving per pack. This is where you see the amount of fat, cholesterol, sodium, sugar, and other items that contained in the food. It's usually measured in grams. So how do you know what's the right amount of nutrition does your body need? Experts say that it is best to consume food items with low saturated fat, cholesterol, sodium, and sugar. By low, we mean its DV or daily value should be 5% or lower. Food items with 20% and up are considered high and should be eaten in moderation. Also, try to avoid food with trans fat. Do you exercise regularly? You should. Physical activities, whether light exercise or sports, help with blood circulation and body strengthening. Doing this helps us fulfill commandment number 9. Maintain the right weight for your body. And this is also connected to commandment number 10. Stay physically active, avoid drinking and smoking. That's the 10 commandments, which if you follow, can help you build a strong and healthy body. Remember to always eat variety of products from different food groups to ensure you get enough nutrition. Eat in moderation. Let the food pyramid guide you on what to eat every day. Reading the nutrition facts can also help you decide on what food can be healthy for your body. Also, eat a well-balanced diet. Exercise and observe habits that would help make you strong. And of course, always check food labels. Make sure it is clean and safe to eat. It's easy to remember, right? Keep the 10 commandments in mind and make sure to follow them for a better, healthier you.